Planado ang buhay mo this 2020 eh. Ganda nang nangyayari sa'yo eh. Unang quarter pa lang pero bigla na lang freeze ang lahat sa atin. Lahat ng plano mo sa buhay, biglang natigil. Hindi ito pinahinto ni Duterte o nung COVID-19, pinahinto to ng Panginoon. Imagine right now, you have your family time. Dati, ang lagi mong dahilan, wala kang time para sa family mo, para sharean sila, na wala na silang kawala sa'yo. Makikinig sila, wala silang choice. Andito ako sa bahay eh. O kapag kainan na, ngayon meron ka ng time, o di ikaw mag-pray. It's little, but that's your miracle. God, on this season, He wants you to realize some miracles you need in your life is not the big one, it's not the loud one, it's not the spectacular one. Some miracles that you need and you desperately need is a miracle that is silent, a miracle that is